Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to enable or disable high contrast on your Hyundai TV. So first, let's head over to the settings. And here we need to go all the way to System and Accessibility. Now here we will have the high contrast and we can change it by moving our arrows either left or right on our TV remote. So as you guys can see, now here we can easily enable the contrast. As you guys can see, like the subtitle, magnification, and here we will have the yellow text, or simply we can turn it off. So basically, this is how it looks like. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.